Thank you, Janani, on the first page. The third speaker is Leenavathi from first page.
Good afternoon to everyone, and let's we know about something about nature, and that's my topic also. And if we speak and if we start about nature, we just remember that season of nature and what are the disasters that made and what are the things we have in nature. We just remember. In this class circumstance, we know about if I say nature, we will just know about the benches are made in wood and the paper are made with some paper or made with some wood or some leaves, and at that outer atmosphere we just see the trees, and the door are made with some trees wood and etc. things. We are surrounded with nature, and if we think we can't if we think without any help of nature and without using of nature things, we are survey your thing, but that is not possible, and that is not good for ourselves, because we always want to depend and we always use the things of nature. That is good for us, because nature always give good things for us. And comparing with others, we just have experienced the new vision of nature, because if we ask question to other department students what is nature, they give a separate answer. If we ask the botany students what is nature, they give some theoretical answer, some different view of their. But comparing with us, if I ask to you, you just give a different kind of question answers, and you will ask your vision was different, obviously different from others. That is our way, and our way always that see upon apart from what we saw, we just feel what that is, what that gives us, and what does that, and this or the way we are seeing that one things. And obviously that vision was also connected with us mind. When we study some this kind of things, we always remember some quest and some poetry in what we saw and what we did. And the best thing of poetry is nature is not a place to visit, it is home. Yes, obviously nature, if we go tour or some places, we just enjoy that nature and that climate, but that not place to visit something. We just want to live in that. That is the main thing. And the people are saying nature is wonderful, but in the way of poetry that John Keats was explained, nature is the poetry of the earth is never died. That is nature. When we live in the society, this life, we just use some poetic lines or something in our personal life like that in earth is. Then one of the good things is nature, and if you truly love nature, you will find the beauty of everything. Yes, obviously, if we feel that nature, if we connect with nature, that give back to us, that give blessing to us, that give new positivity to us, that is the main thing in nature. And living in the sunshine and swimming the sea, drinking wild air, that is a good and healthy life of nature. Obviously our ancestor and forefathers are live like this life. They are not dependent on some technology, something. They are truly and fully add and live with nature. That's why they are live apart from 100 years. Some of the in history they are mentioned. They are lived their age was more than 100 or something. And nowadays people are not across 50 or 60 age. That's a matter how we want to prevent, how we want to saw the nature. And the final goals of the nature is life is better with a little bit of nature. In this society, in this technology time, the people are spending their life with machines or something. The people, one of the suggestion is the people want to spend their by day